friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to do my really easy pom-pom braids. The first thing you do is just separate your hair down the middle into two pieces. Next up, I love using this Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. I just put it all over my hair and just kind of smooth it around with my fingers or really work it in there. Of course, we want some lovely shine. And then next up, what I love using is these poly bands. You're going to need around 5 for each side, and then to start, you just start off either on your left or your right side. They're both going to be the same, and just place the first band right under your ear. Just make it into a ponytail. I like to go around it twice, but you can go however many you want. And then I just kind of work my way down, and you'll see that I'll kind of speed it up for you guys here. Now that that's all done, you just want to use a texturizing spray, and this one from Pureology is really good. Once I spray my hair, I just kind of pull things apart. I just kind of pull each single one, and this actually is really fun. I think I have too much fun pulling them apart. You can get them really big if you want, but I just kind of like messing around with it. And now that that side is done, you're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Let's speed it up here since you got the gist of it. And I know there's supposed to be 5, but obviously I was a little behind, so I'm going to have to add in one more here. There we go. A little bit more texturizing spray and a little bit more pulling. I really like the texturizing spray as it gives it a more undone look. Once you've got them as big as you want, that is it. You are all done. I love, love, love how this came out. It's super easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any other recommendations about what videos you'd like to see, definitely let me know. And thanks so much for watching.